with regard to pollution, with regard to cleanliness, it is a huge concern, we understand. And as legislator also, from time and again, be it inside the house or outside the house in the assembly, we are continuously pursue the matter to ensure that our town and cities will be pollution free. That is the mantra of the day, in which each and every one of us we are pursue ahead. And with regard to this, even the government also is not sitting idle. Ways and means has been put in place to ensure for pollution free. And at the same time, initiative taken by the government with regards to the issue of planting more trees, where we observe World Environment Day every year on the 5th of June, where the clear message has to be there. It has to reach to the ground, where if we cut 1 tree, we have to plant 10. If we cut 10, we have to plant 100, and so on. So the only way is how to protect the natural stream, how to protect the forest environment, and how to get rid of the rampant wild forest fire. At the same time, the rampant cutting of trees. Not only the government, it is the duty of the citizen also. We are all concerned. Citizen also has to be concerned, and we have to ensure that the environment that we live around, the surrounding that we live around, it has to be conducive with the kind of air that we are breathing. And we have seen initiative by the Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board also. They are very much aware, and they have been tasked and mandated to look after different units of factories, especially in industrial estate like Byrnihat or Umyam or other part of the state, especially in Byrnihat, where from the board also continuous checking is on. And as mentioned by our Honorable Chief Minister also, that the contribution to the pollution in Byrnihat, it is not only from one side, it is from both sides, because we've seen after crossing the Umtru River on the right side also, some side where different units are there which equally contribute. So it should be a continuous effort and a collective effort from both sides of the government with regards to the how to tackle the pollution in Byrnihat. And I'm not wrong to say that the government is very much positive into addressing all these issues. The issue of environment, it is not only the state issue, it is a global issue. Global warming, where major country within the UN also, the major topic of discussion is about environment, global warming, how to address. So this issue is universal issue, universal concern to each and everyone, even in our state also. That's the fact.